Hi, I'm Pip the Panda. Are you ready to zoom, fly, and dig? Let's learn all about vehicles.
Hi, I'm Firefighter Pip. Dad. Let's spell it. F-I-R-E, fire.
Hi, Officer Pip the Panda is on patrol. Look at this fast police car. Say it with Pip. Police car. Let's spell it with Pip. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. You're a hero.
Hi, Driver Pip the Panda is here. Look at this big school bus. Say it with Pip. School bus.
Let's spell it with Pip. B-U-S, bus. You're so smart. Hi, Pilot Pip the Panda is ready for takeoff. Look at this fast airplane. Say it with Pip, airplane.
Let's spell it with Pip. And plane. You're flying high.
Hi, Builder Pip the Panda is ready to work. Look at this mighty excavator. Say it with Pip, excavator. Let's spell what we do. D-I-G, dig. You're a great helper. Let's spell where we are. F-A-R-M, farm. You're a natural. Hi, Farmer Pip the Panda is here. Look at this hard-working tractor. Say it with Pip, tractor.
Hi, Astronaut Pip the Panda is ready. Look at this basket ship. Say it with Pitch. Rocket ship.
Let's spell where we're going. S-C, space. You're out of this world.
Hi, Pilot Pip the Panda is ready to spin. Look at this whirly career. Say it, Gopta.
Let's spell what we do. F-L-Y. Fly, you're soaring. Hi, Captain Pip the Panda is ready for the waves.
Look at this fast.
Say it with Pip, speedboat. Let's spell it together. B-O-A-T, boat. You're doing swimmingly. Hi, Conductor Pip the Panda is here. Look at this long train. Say it with Pip, train. Let's spell it on the tracks. T-R-A. You're on the right train tag. Hi, Pip the Panda is ready to pedal. Look at this shiny bicycle. Say with Pip, bicycle. Let's spell the short name. B-I-K-E, bike. You're doing great. Great job, little driver. You know all your vehicles now. Click subscribe to play with Pip again. Bye-bye.